Welcome back to NetApp INSIGHT 2025. We're live from Vegas. My name is Christophe, Bertrand, Principal Analyst with theCUBE Research. I'm joined today by Vultr. Kevin Cochrane, CMO. Vultr, what a great name.
Great to be here.
It's great to have you. So tell us about Vultr's business. You have 32 global data centers. You're all over the place. Tell us more about your business and the partnership, more importantly.
Great. Yes, we have 32 data center regions globally. We're the world's largest privately held independent cloud. We offer core infrastructure as a service. We are the functional equivalent of a hyperscaler, of an Amazon, of a Google, or a Microsoft Azure. Our claim to fame is our price to performance. We offer the same or better performance at a hyperscaler at a dramatically lower cost. For enterprises that are looking to cost optimize cloud compute, we're the best game in town because we deliver real savings that you can apply to next generation AI initiatives. We're also the only provider that provides optionality in terms of GPUs. We offer both NVIDIA, top of the line GPUs, Blackwell GPUs, as well as AMD GPUs, most recently deploying the MI355X. And that's why we're here today, because we are so excited about our deep partnership with NetApp. With NetApp, we align around a vision of mobilizing the world's data into an intelligence pipeline to feed not only training clusters so you can build your own customized models, but more importantly, leveraging the semantic layer, the metadata layer at NetApp, so you can do real-time provisioning of data sets to inference clusters to support all of your agentic AI initiatives.
This is very interesting. It feels like you're offering a lot of options, trusted GPU, data lifecycle management, for lack of a better term, and of course, the ability to build a hybrid strategy, I imagine here, for enterprises with a choice of technology options. So let's break it down in terms of who your customers are. Give me a few examples of some key customers that would be a great example of the partnership, the type of deployments, whatever name you can name would be great. I understand if you can't name them all.
Exactly.
I'd love to hear more.
Yeah, so we can give two examples. So we can give the example of one of our customers in the healthcare life sciences space, where they get extreme value from NetApp. Obviously, you go into your physician's office and you go for like a blood test. That blood test, the actual result is actually going to be stored on-prem on a NetApp box. And the key is for your healthcare portal, if you want to deploy an agent in the context of that healthcare portal, so that as soon as the results come in, someone can ask an agent, can you tell me what I need to know about my lab test results? That agent needs to have real-time access to the lab test results in a cloud where it can be processed, vectorized, and enabled through your RAG application. So the wonderful thing is we set up an entire hybrid cloud environment so that as the data goes into NetApp, again, leveraging NetApp's semantic metadata layer, that data set can automatically be provisioned via ONTAP, right, into our cloud data centers, where it can be vectorized and immediately made available to an agent. Imagine a world where real time you had access to a personalized physician who could answer any and all questions about a recent test result that you just got. Why do you have to wait 2 weeks to make an appointment and show up just to have the doctor only just then, real time, looking at the results, trying to figure out what to tell you? This is the power of being able to deploy AI at scale, safely, securely, leveraging ONTAP, leveraging NetApp to get sensitive, confidential data into a data pipeline, into a real RAG application that delivers results for an actual end user. Another example is taking that a step further, which is in this day and age of sovereign cloud and data residency, what you're able to do with NetApp is enforce all of the policies and governance about what data can be mobilized in what locations to actually feed that RAG application. Because again, in the healthcare space, the data sets that you're mobilizing in the UK need to remain resident in the UK. So again, we're super excited about the partnership with NetApp. NetApp is the only company that can mobilize data at enterprise scale with safety, security, and governance.
And you're here to help.
Exactly.
Well, Kevin, thank you so much for stopping by. It's great to have you back. I think you're a CUBE alum, and I'm sure we'll have you again here. And to our viewers, NetApp Insights 2025. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Thank you.